Is your vision starting to blur, struggling to read fine print, or finding it harder to see at night? For many of us over 60, vision loss can feel like an unavoidable part of aging. But what if a simple seed could help change that? Today, we'll reveal a powerful natural seed packed with nutrients that can help protect your eyes, support your retinas, and slow down age-related vision problems naturally and safely. If you're serious about keeping your vision sharp as you age, stay with us. This tiny seed may be the support your eyes have been waiting for. 1. Carrots. Carrots have long been celebrated as a vision-boosting food, and science supports this claim. These vibrant orange vegetables are packed with beta-carotene, a type of antioxidant that the body converts into vitamin A nutrient that plays a vital role in maintaining healthy eyes. Without enough vitamin A, your vision can suffer, particularly in low-light conditions. One of the most common signs of deficiency is night blindness, a condition where it's difficult to see in dim lighting. Vitamin A is essential for the proper functioning of the retina, the part of the eye that detects light and sends signals to the brain to help us see. It is a key component of rhodopsin, a protein in the eyes that allows us to see in the dark. When your body lacks enough vitamin A, rhodopsin levels fall, leading to poor vision in low light settings and increased sensitivity to glare. Carrots also help protect the surface of the eye, known as the cornea. A deficiency in vitamin A can lead to dry eyes, corneal ulcers, or even more severe damage to the eye's surface. Carrots help prevent this by keeping the eyes moist and nourished, reducing the risk of irritation or infection. Beyond beta, carrots also contain smaller amounts of lutein, another antioxidant that helps filter harmful blue light and protect the retina from age-related damage. This makes carrots a valuable addition to any diet aiming to reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. For best results, carrots should be eaten with a small amount of healthy fat, such as olive oil or avocado, since beta-carotene is a fat-soluble nutrient. Light cooking, like steaming or roasting, can also make the nutrients more bioavailable to the body. Point to fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are some of the best foods you can eat for maintaining healthy eyes, especially as you age. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, and EPA, icosapentaenoic acid, which play a crucial role in preserving the structure and function of the eyes, especially the retina. DHA is actually a major structural fat in the retina, and a deficiency can impair visual development and contribute to retinal disorders. One of the most common age-related vision problems is macular degeneration, a condition that damages the central part of the retina responsible for sharp, straight-ahead vision. Studies have shown that people who consume more omega-3 south have a significantly lower risk of developing macular degeneration. Omega-3 south also help protect against dry eye syndrome, a condition where the eyes don't produce enough tears, leading to irritation, redness, and blurry vision. By improving tear production and reducing inflammation, fatty fish help keep the eyes comfortable and lubricated. Additionally, omega-3 fatty acids improve blood flow to the eyes, reduce oxidative stress, and help protect delicate eye tissues from damage caused by aging, pollution, or excessive screen time. These fats also support the health of tiny blood vessels in the eyes, which are essential for proper oxygen and nutrient delivery. For maximum benefits, it's recommended to eat fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, or sardines at least 2 to 3 times a week. Grilled, baked, or steamed preparations are best to preserve their nutrients. Avoid fried versions, which can negate the benefits by introducing harmful trans fats. 3. How spinach and kale protect your eyesight. Naturally, spinach and kale are two of the most powerful leafy greens you can eat to protect and support your eyesight, especially as you get older. These vegetables are packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful antioxidants that are highly concentrated in the retina, particularly in the macula, the part of the eye responsible for central, detailed vision. These nutrients act like natural sunglasses for your eyes. They help filter out harmful blue light from screens and sunlight, which can damage sensitive retinal cells over time. This filtering effect helps reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, one of the leading causes of vision loss in adults over 60. Studies have shown that higher dietary intake of lutein and zeaxanthin is associated with a lower risk of both AMD and cataracts. Spinach and kale also contain vitamin C, beta-carotene, and vitamin E, which work together to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the eyes. This is especially important because oxidative stress is one of the key drivers of aging and vision decline. Another benefit of these leafy greens is their support for healthy blood vessels in the eyes. Nutrients in kale and spinach help keep the tiny capillaries in the retina strong and flexible, improving oxygen and nutrient delivery to the eye tissue. To get the most out of these greens, eat them lightly cooked, such as steamed or sautéed, to help break down tough fibers and make the nutrients more bio. Adding a small amount of healthy fat, like olive oil or avocado, can further boost the absorption of fat-soluble nutrients, like lutein and beta-carotene. 4. Flax seeds and chia seeds. Flax seeds and chia seeds may be tiny, but they are loaded with nutrients that offer big benefits for your eyes, especially as you age. Both seeds are excellent sources of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid ALA, which the body partially converts into DHA and EPA, the same omega-3 salts found in fatty fish. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation, improve circulation to the eyes, and support the delicate structures of the retina, making them especially valuable for protecting vision. One of the most common age-related vision issues is dry eye syndrome, where the eyes don't produce enough moisture. The omega-3 salts in flax seeds and chia seeds help enhance the quality of tear film and reduce eye dryness, irritation, and redness. In addition, omega-3 salts support the overall health of the retinal cells, which are essential for processing light and sending visual signals to the brain. These seeds also offer a rich supply of antioxidants, such as lignans in flax seeds and polyphenols in both. These compounds help combat oxidative stress, which can damage eye cells and contribute to conditions like macular degeneration and cataracts. By reducing free radical damage, these seeds help protect the eyes from premature aging and environmental strain. Furthermore, both flax seeds and chia seeds are high in fiber, which supports cardiovascular health. Healthy circulation is crucial for the eyes because the tiny blood vessels that nourish the retina depend on good blood flow to deliver oxygen and nutrients. To maximize their benefits, consume ground flax seeds for better absorption or soaked chia seeds and pair them with meals containing healthy fats like nuts, seeds, or olive oil. Sprinkle them on oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or mix into yogurt or salads. Picu. 5. Eggs help protect and improve your eyesight. Eggs are a simple, affordable, and powerful food for maintaining healthy eyes, especially as we age. What makes eggs so beneficial for vision is their rich content of lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that are concentrated in the egg yolk. These compounds are also found in the macula, the central part of the retina, responsible for sharp, detailed vision. Lutein and zeaxanthin help filter harmful blue light, reduce oxidative stress, and protect the retina from age-related damage. One of the biggest threats to vision after age 60 is macular degeneration, a condition that slowly erodes central vision. Studies show that people with higher intakes of lutein and zeaxanthin have a significantly lower risk of developing this condition. Eggs are one of the most bioavailable sources of these nutrients, meaning your body can absorb them easily compared to plant-based sources. In addition to these antioxidants, eggs are an excellent source of vitamin A, which plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy cornea, the clear front part of the eye, and preventing night blindness. Zinc, also found in eggs, supports the function of enzymes in the retina and helps vitamin A perform properly in the eye. Eggs are especially helpful for older adults who may not absorb nutrients from vegetables as efficiently. A few eggs per week, especially when soft-boiled or poached to preserve nutrients, can be a gentle and effective way to nourish your eyes. And because they also contain healthy fats, eggs help enhance the absorption of fat-soluble nutrients like vitamin A, lutein, and zeaxanthin. Remember, it's never too late to support your vision naturally. Just a spoonful a day of this tiny seed can deliver the antioxidants, healthy fats, and protective power your eyes need. When combined with a healthy lifestyle, smart nutrition can slow down and even help prevent age-related vision loss. When combined with a healthy lifestyle, smart nutrition can slow down and even help prevent age-related vision loss. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with someone you care about, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, natural health tips made for you.